Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
Hi guys, welcome back to Kira and Thuga TV. It's your girl Kira.
And your boy Thuga, you don't know, so today we are doing a mukbang and just answer some questions.
Life updates and we go be answer some questions. Some things I posted it on my Instagram and some people sending some questions. So that we are going to answer tonight and we are going to eat some food.
Yes. So
Hope not joke. Anyways, remember follow our social media platforms. Link will be down in the description box below. Big up on yourself and let's get eating and chatting.
very difficult, you know. Jesus.
Alright. First question is
Answer the first question I'm doing.
you can't eat on. Eat on top. Alright, the first question is who or what motivated you guys to start YouTube?
What motivated you to start YouTube, bro? I do YouTube long time. No people do YouTube long time. No people do YouTube because they want money. No people do YouTube because they love to create video. Honestly, so how we come about to do YouTube, we like filming, editing, to put videos together and we enjoy.
Me love to create content, especially story. Me love to write story. When me did smaller, when me about 6, 7, I normally get one pencil and one book. My school book, when I make a part, I'm just write book. I don't write like narrator way. I'm write like the person's name and what them going to say there something. That's mother, that me normally do. So me love it so. I've been wanting this a long time because two hours of a video in business. Every minute you just take up for me a video or something. We always have something to do.
Plus, enough people do YouTube. Long time, but you see exposure, you know the exposure.
Most people think say my things are what I do for money. And then money. We don't go get.
Love doing.
Me didn't have no problem pick up everything and just shoot. I just wish me did have like people that run me every day right tune set for them gone. You know me just wake up and go man and just eat and we just start shoot. Instead of them gone, we have wait till them get dry.
Yeah.
Everybody reach and tell them already.
Just a shoot all day. But after you go. What next question?
Next question. No, no. The next question, how old is your boyfriend?
Next,
How
so,
old is your How old is you?
you tell me.
You don't want to tell me age?
No, I tell me.
You're not telling me age?
Just don't say see all of me.
Next question
What's
is...
your nominate? The next question.
The next question is which month did you have born? First word cannot call it back. Then let's have it back.
Me born June 23rd.
Me born July 2nd.
June, July.
So we are same zodiac, Kenta.
When just me tonight, I did my birthday, then for your birthday. To celebrate to our birthday.
But look at them. They shot did something in this one. The barbecue. This one got out.
Not yet, okay.
I don't know. Next question. How did you meet? Alright. Last time they asked this, probably just 2 minutes and but probably they want to record it.
The media, man. Well, media me yard. And then my friend called me and said, come down the road, because he knew me on the road that I do some movie called India work with him. India work with
movie
people,
filming.
yeah. So I go down there. I'm there on the road look a bit and I walk up and down, but I never see her yet. But I go over there, which part them are doing movements. I see that girl there. Then I go close and I look right now, yeah, and she has to snatch me, but I didn't tell up in the
Place it dark, so I see somebody stand up. I try to tell oh, place it dark.
I look right in the yeah, man.
And they kind of stand up, so I'm like me trying to look, I look can't see. But him can't see me.
But next day, after that, I look, she walk out and she still not see me. But the next day, I go out there, which part she her, I never see her, me, but in the day, I see her, she gone and shoot movie. I go out there, I start, she said, ask me if I want to go in a movie, and that's how we start.
That's how we got problem part 2.
Yeah.
So you got fire big gun. And then
I start go out there every day.
left me work.
Left me work early, make up story and left. I'm gone, gonna look for her and something. Enough something.
One bag of something to reach us right now.
Only for something that she cause you do.
I was playing hard to get.
Next question.
Next question. What plan for the moving forward as 2 young YouTubers?
What plan to move forward?
What plan to do moving forward as 2? As they say, young. We are young, but we mindset old, especially minds. You have young people who think party, ear, nails, tordo, hottest clothes, sheen, chocolate every day.
When in a party, my mindset of to make money. My mindset from me younger always make money.
Same with me.
Money.
Even though me young and then nobody
Every
say,
day,
money, so.
If me look up on YouTube, I now waste time. Search up how to make money, always how to make money, new ways. Every day, something come up, some new way come up to make money. Be that trading, you can do all kind of something, sell things online, something out there you can do to make money. But my mindset are always to make money in many different ways. It no matter. As long as I make money.
When I promise her to myself, sweetie, come you and make money. So Friday come and go buy fish stuff. Because then time I'm buy really 2 fussy cakes.
If you know me, you know some I love money. Money?
You ain't no money, but
Money.
I'm not for like my brother.
Next question.
You make money alone?
But we move further and we want some business.
Some of that sounds go extra. What are my business? We don't want to mix up everything.
Yeah.
We are the filming, we are the editing, movie making. Me and him plan if we make movie, we need at least 2 cameras, so it's 2 we can shoot. We need at least more people to act. We need laptop, we need some light and something.
Yeah.
So
better
what we
light,
are working on
move
to
to
get
shoot
to
and
buy
light.
some light, buy a camera, get some mic where you can put the places. If you don't realize you only have 19, you can't shoot the night camera the light a beer scene. Sometimes when we get 19, lock up in them, dry curtain them, and the place get dark. So what we are planning to do? We are planning to do that with this channel. We just make content.
Yes.
It's probably have to just entertain, make us see we life differently from us acting. So
yeah.
that's what we plan to do. Make some money, make movie, have a business. And we also want to go get certified for photography, cinematography and editing. Plan for even go school for that so we can get the certificate.
Yeah man, everything all that will come together, but I just say time. Everything in my process. So if I do YouTube, it will take a year if you get monetized. So still do so. But YouTube is a strategy. You have views to make to get views to get that strategy. Now for young blogger you see him do clickbait and title, thumbnail, clickbait.
You friend from something we watch?
Yeah. All of them big YouTubers they do clickbait. It's funny. Next question.
Them gonna be ready.
Next question,
Yep.
look. I'll come right up on there.
We clean out the room.
No, sir.
Question ain't done, but what do you think?
Well, I usually there every year. I try to put in the work.
We'll try our best. We're
To
not
give
try.
to
We
give
try.
movie. Yeah, try the prompts, I try to everything I'll get through.
At this time.
This time. Now if you just go and be here with you. But everything I take a time I come together. Everything.
Yep.
Look about it.
Babe, you see what they do? This one barbecue, you know? You know this
sure.
barbecue? You know? Guys, people wicked. People wicked bad. That's the reason. People wicked.
Yes, dear. I see for barbecue.
You don't taste like barbecue.
Well, that's how you go. Done by already. So watch channel people, just stay tuned, subscribe, like, drop a comment, make we know your honest opinion on
One
the
more
video.
thing.
And
I'm not cut it, sorry. One more thing. We kind of short actor.
actress.
Not really well people know. But sometimes we feel change up. People don't want to see food face every day. But for now, we're like one male and one female from Portland to Portland, nowhere else. People
Then
are called
Portland, you just
from
DM
St.
me
Thomas,
by
people are called
Instagram.
from town. That was impossible. That was
To come here every day.
And like me have a big old place where we can book people. You know?
So if you're there in Portland, DM me by Instagram if you want to act.
Alright, what do you
Yeah.
think?
So people, just the process. We just start and things are go smooth, everything are go.
We are learning day by day.
Every day we learn
post a
something.
video, I was saying it's abuse, we see reason why. Next time we post one, we do this differently so that we don't get the same. YouTube even also help we.
YouTube helping. Looking at him if you're a young YouTuber like we. YouTube send an email if a thumbnail and stand out, then send and say make a thumbnail stand
People
out.
make a better factor.
Make a thumbnail stand out. Then give a group a video and then look, you put fear in the migrant, you have to choose.
I
Like,
see which one
if
you
you don't want
like.
view, or you go watch the channel, you have to look on it and say, no, so I'm not click on that thumbnail.
Yeah,
You
keep
know,
on
like,
clear
your thumbnail have to bold,
stand out so they can click. I'm
Yeah,
excited so they say, oh, this is one of the things
But them same man help you.
They help us so I don't like them now.
So, you have to just do what you have to do for a young YouTuber.
And at the same time, YouTube not easy. Something where you have to take one process, you have to take time. You can't just go up my ears and just bitch up one content. So you have to language and just drop it so. Understand? So you have to take your time, think through what you have to do.
Nothing sealer, nothing but YouTube. You can post a video in a night, you know, you can stop the amount of views if you get. So you go in a YouTube studio app, you look what time your viewer them active. Everything there, people. Maybe we can make one video about that, but
sometimes I post a video, I have see a monetize, you post one video and a pure bad word in there. Bare curse word. And then you add your post it. Yes, you get 100,000 views, but the money is small.
yeah.
You're not going to get certain type of ads. I remember how to tell you that.
Certain type of ads now play on the video.
For example, Amazon, one lullaby, Pampas, library, the grammar something where always come up, floor. If you have their PC class in your video, you know you can get, when you add in, you don't know where you're adding, but them they add it, sorry, now sure. So, and also that you have to think, we have, that reason why we try to make sure our video clean as possible. We try, we don't want to make nothing too brawling, we don't want, or somebody go play and click off, we say, be a bad one, and then click off. Yeah, we have respect, because I know young people are watching, and other people are watching too. So
just that, guys, and just stay tuned on the channel because some mad banger prank forward, you know what I mean? So and just subscribe, stay tuned. Okay, you thought Mike want to fear? You think me not see? Watch your people and just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Remember, drop your honest comment because I want to get some feedback on the video them. You understand? So
come down. Stop.
So stay tuned. You understand? Me not move me. So stay tuned and we give thanks. Alright. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for the support. If you're a long time subscriber, more blessings, just continue support. So we're there. So see you in the next banger. We out that door.
Say what you wanna say to me.